Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this carpet cleaner from Hoover. This is the SmartWash. We got this a few months ago. We needed a new carpet cleaner. The one we had was way too old and wasn't really doing a good job. So we got this one and I thought it would be cool to make a review and just talk about the things I like about this carpet cleaner and also show you how this thing works. So this carpet cleaner comes with two things. So it's dual tank. Right here you have the clean water, right here you're gonna have the dirty water, which I think it's pretty cool. You can separate the clean water from the dirty water, and this tank is really big. This will be able to hold a lot of dirty water. Right here, I think this is really cool. They have the pre-treat wand. So I'm gonna show you right here. You can press this button and then it will release the wand. It comes with, let me see if I can show you. Oh, right here on the back. So it comes with a battery. So this has no cables connected to it. It's just a battery on the back. So you can just press this button and then it will release a spray with the product, so you can reach, spots that you need to clean with the solution. And right here on the back, that's where you put the solution for the pre-treat. This carpet cleaner also comes with this very long hose, which is so useful, especially when you're trying to clean couches, furniture. You can also use this to clean furniture. It's so handy. And the way I'll show you right now, you attach this hose. If you go on the bottom right here, you pull this, there is this little place, that's where you attach the hose to clean furniture or whatever place you need to clean with this thing right here. Here on the back, right next to the wand, you have the solution tank. So this is right here is where you're going to put the solution that you're using to clean your floors. They also give you this brush that you can use with the hose, and this thing right here is amazing. This works so well. I love it, especially when you're trying to clean little spots on the carpet. This brush really does work. Oh, they also give you these two solutions right here for you to try and see if you like it, which I think it's pretty cool. It's not very big, as you can see, but it's a little cool addition that they have. So they give you this one, and they also give you this one, which is for the wand, the pre-treat wand, the spot chaser, which is cool. It's pretty easy to clean this, even though it looks complicated because it has so many different tanks. Like I said, this is for water, this is for dirty water. You have the solution tank right here on the back, and this is for the spot chaser. So when you look at it, it's not that hard to use this. You can also clean the brushes very easily. You just pull this, release, remove the top part, and then you can just pull the brushes up, clean, put it back, and put this back on. Yeah, in terms of cleaning, I think it's very easy. I like it. They make it simple. They give you a user manual, which makes it so much easier. At first, I had no idea how to use this, but reading the instructions here really helped me. So yeah, guys, we love this. We've used twice already in the last few months since we got it. I think it is worth the money. It does work. This thing right here is so powerful. Also, another thing I really like about it that I haven't mentioned yet is the heating aspect of it. It dries the spot that you cleaned so much faster than other carpet cleaners. When I used this to wash our carpet upstairs, it dried within like 2 hours, which didn't happen with our last one. It would take a whole day to dry the carpet. But I feel like I said, the heating element of it really helps. It really helps you dry the areas that you are cleaning. So yeah, if you guys are thinking about getting this, you should really look into it. This is great for the price, and if you have a house that has a ton of carpet, this is worth it.